Hello guys, Mr. Zab is here. Today let me continue the series from Dualbot. This is going to be the second video and I'm starting from installing Windows 11. Let's select Windows 11, normal mode. Okay, I'm gonna select the Windows 11 Pro. Important step, you have to select the proper drive. This one is the actual Linux installation with 3 partitions. This one is the one I can use. And now I have to wait. The region, United Kingdom. Keyboard layout, also United Kingdom, that's correct. No, I don't need another layout for now. Cool, so let's see about the signing in thingy. Account, create one. Options. Not that many options. So yeah, by default it seems you don't have options to kind of create the local account anymore. But there is one trick, so let's use it. So I press Shift F10. Yes, and now in the terminal, I have to type start ms-cxh colon local only. Okay, it's working. Now I can create a local user. But I usually don't use the normal administrator user, so my actual user is usually a normal user. The first user will be admin, and that user will be used to set up the system, install things, etc. Okay, something silly for now. Security questions, do I need them? Really, seriously, why do I need them for? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, usual slope to disable. No. No. Quiet only. Oh yeah, sure. No. No. Okay, so the system is installed, and as you may notice already during the reboot, that the system by default loads the windows and there is no grep anymore. So this is going to be the third video about how to restore the grep. But for this video, that's all. See you guys in the next one.